Hello, this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Today is our new release day and we are memorizing 4 new verses. Now, in the beginning of the year, I said I'm not going to try to do theme-based ones, but I always wanted to memorize a chunk of 1 Corinthians 13. We're going to memorize 4 to 7. It's the sort of the most well-known chunks. I thought we might as well do it during Valentine's Day because we know Valentine's love have really almost nothing to do with God's love, but it is a picture of what true love really is. And to tell you the truth, 1 Corinthians 13 is probably one of my least favorite passages in the Bible because I'm so convicted every time I read it. Because I am just so aware of how I lack godly love, this unconditional agape love that the Lord wants us to have. And you can almost replace the word love with Jesus. Jesus is patient and kind. Jesus does not envy or boast. Jesus is not arrogant or rude. And all these things. And it's just a reminder every day to me that I need Jesus Christ. I'm desperately in need of him. So I think it will be good to be reminded of these elements, what it means to have true love. And what it really means to have love of God. So this is what we're going to memorize this month. I hope you will join us. I usually print out two of them because I put 4 of them obviously in my box this week. Remember, we've got a free off week next week. So I usually cut it out and put it at the back so it's ready to go. So I do that, and then the other sheet I just cut out and make an introduction page, as I usually do, like here. Just put the title and the 4 verses, and then this is our meditation sheet. So I print out 4 of them and then I just stick it down also in my book. So this is our February sheets. Look, I really enjoy digging deep into our memory verses for this month. And then I usually print out 4 pages of the practice sheets, and then I just stick it down and practice it, and then in months to come or whatever, if I want to review it, I've got a page to review it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to do it on camera. So I'm just going to do an introduction page here. And then I'm going to stick my pages in, but I'll show you when I'm done how that looks. Yeah, obviously this is available on my Kofi account and in my Etsy shop. It's always going to be cheaper to buy it from my Kofi account because I don't have to pay any commission or whatever. With Etsy, for every posting you make, you need to pay, I think, 15 cents. So obviously I'm just going to add that 50 cents in it. So if you want to get it for for just $1, get it from my Kofi account. If you want to get it for $1.15, obviously go to my Etsy account, whatever you want. And remember, if you haven't downloaded my free printable yet to make yourself a little box like that, that's linked to my Kofi account. Yet again, because Etsy you need to pay for listings, so Kofi it's totally free. So yeah, I hope you will join me this month. I hope in January that was a blessing. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do, because I really go lots of time on my stories to encourage you, to show you what I've done, what I get out of the verse. So if you want to follow along, my Instagram account is linked down below, so please do follow me there. And obviously it's linked to my Facebook account, so if you're just on Facebook, you can just follow me on Facebook also. Yeah, have a great weekend, and I hope you enjoy getting ready for this month's or this time's verses, and then I'll talk to you soon. Okay, I stuck all my cards in here, made my sort of introductory page, and then stuck my meditation sheet first just to fill that page, and then I just put my practice sheets and my review sheets 4 times over, and then I obviously cut the second page of my cards again, put the tabbies at the top, and put it at the back of my box so I'm ready the following week to start memorizing scripture. All the details will be linked below, my Kofi account and Etsy shop, so hope you can join us this time.